Cultural practices that are harmful to children. Cultural practices can sometimes prolong harmful situations for children. Here are some examples. 1. Early marriages. In certain societies, young girls, often as young as 10 or 11 years old, are coerced into weddings with older men. These marriages are considered to be early and forced arranged marriages. As a result of this practice, these young girls are not only denied their childhood, but they are also prevented from gaining access to educational and personal development possibilities, which forces them to assume the responsibilities of brides and mothers before they are ready. 2. Female genital mutilation. This practice involves the removal of external female genitalia, either in part or in their entirety. Girls are subjected to significant physical and psychological trauma as a result of this detrimental tradition, which is frequently carried out without any medical rationale. This causes girls to experience pain, infections, and problems during childbirth, thereby continuing a cycle of misery that is passed down from generation to generation. 3. Slavery. Despite the fact that it is illegal everywhere in the world, there are still examples of slavery that exist in some cultural contexts. In these circumstances, children are viewed as property and are subjected to exploitation and forced labor. These children are subjected to dangerous working circumstances under which they are denied their fundamental human rights and freedoms. 4. Child trafficking. Across borders, children are trafficked for various exploitative purposes, including forced labor, sexual exploitation, and even organ harvesting. This nefarious practice involves the coercion, transportation, and exploitation of vulnerable children, stripping them of their dignity and subjecting them to unimaginable suffering in pursuit of monetary gain. 5. Child labor. In many cultures, children are still engaged in laborious activities, robbing them of their right to education, play, and a safe environment. 6. Abuse of children with special needs. In some cultural contexts, children with disabilities or special needs face discrimination, neglect, and abuse due to societal misconceptions and beliefs. These children may be denied access to education, healthcare, and social inclusion opportunities, perpetuating cycles of marginalization and denying them their fundamental rights and dignity.